We know this region, the coast region, has a lot of our Muslim brothers and sisters, and some may have shied away from going to SACCOs just because there are no products that are aligned to their faith. For the first time, we are going to be introducing Sharia-compliant products.
Mombasa branch occupies a very important part in our history. We have enlarged it after realizing it gives us an opportunity to branch out, and therefore we have come back to make it bigger and better because it has confirmed that there was business in Mombasa.
We have grown from a humble beginning of about 1,540 members to currently about 15,000 out of a global membership of 100,000 countrywide. And our share capital has risen from around 2012 from income of 3.9 million to the current income of 185 million. And that's all because of the team that is managing our SACCO here in the coast, led by our able and dynamic branch manager, Ann Babu.
And you know, most of us prefer interest-free products. So I think it's going to attract a lot of the Muslim community to the SACCO, which will be a great achievement for the Stima SACCO.
When you hear us talk about Stima SACCO, it's not about profit. It has no business to make profits. It's about to change lives. We are here to change lives. And when you see us here, and when we talk to the coast people, and when we do all that we don't do it with profit in mind. We do it with service in mind. We are here in Mombasa to launch this expanded branch as a testament of our growth and reaffirm our space as the second largest SACCO in Africa. Notice I'm saying Africa. Thank you. What we are launching today is part of the bigger plan to continue expanding in Kenya and beyond. The step we have taken today is significant towards accomplishing our 2016-2020 strategic plan that also incorporates our branch expansion program. We love the people of Mombasa. We do love you. And that we have confidence in what we are giving you.
We look forward to riding on driving the Big Four agenda for the country and for the county government in terms of housing provision, in terms of providing cheap healthcare through our affordable credit services, and also in terms of boosting manufacturers and in youth and women employment, creating facilities for them which they can harness the business opportunities through the cheap credits that we offer.
We are focused on modernizing our core banking system to give the SACCO and its members the much needed convenience, comfort, and increase the reliability of our service and also support revenue growth. We believe that by introducing Sharia-compliant products, we'll be able to serve our unique customer niche in this area, and we are working together with the regulator and the industry champions and leaders to develop products suitable for this area. But I'm happy to say that even now, we launched this branch in 2012. We have 15,000 members, 15,484 members, and among them they have borrowed 1.9 billion shillings, and they have saved with us just around 2 billion shillings. So tuwapige makofi. Tumefurahi sana kwamba tuko na members ambaye wamekaa imara, na tunajua tunapoanza Sharia compliant products itakimbia bio sana.
We've moved from covering the energy sector to covering all Kenyans who want to join our SACCO, and we've broadened our products to suit that environment. And we want to appreciate our Muslim brothers and sisters by offering products that are compliant with their needs, and therefore also broadening our products to every Kenyan who wishes to undertake or to do business with us.
What I consider to be the strength of any competitive SACCO is good governance. I want to believe you are doing all that is possible to enhance good governance in your SACCO. Here in Mombasa County, where I serve as an executive member in charge of agriculture, livestock, fisheries and cooperative, we welcome you to do business in the county and promise you of our unwavering support. Our vision as a county is to create a vibrant, modern, regional commercial hub with a high standard of living for its residents. We identify with Stima SACCO, whose mission is empowering members for life. For towards their end is the realization of our vision as a county. To create a vibrant county, you need financial institutions that will come and support the development of the citizens of the county. Ladies and gentlemen, Mombasa is the gateway to Eastern Africa. It has been and continues to be a vibrant commercial hub since the 15th century. It has attracted immigrants from within and without Kenya, who have formed a vibrant and diverse, cohesive society at peace with itself. Our belief is that Stima SACCO programs and initiatives will support our aspirations and promoting County 001. We thank the Stima SACCO Mombasa branch for integrating very well within the county. My records show that the SACCO, through the branch manager, has been featuring prominently in all the county programs, providing the much needed support by the department. For that reason, we happily adopt this branch as our very own, and as the CEC member in charge of docket supporting cooperatives, now I affirm my support to Stima SACCO and invite the chairman to explore more ways of harnessing this partnership. Asanteni, may God bless Stima SACCO, may God bless cooperative movement.
I can reiterate my promise to the Stima SACCO that we'll work jointly to access all the people in Mombasa, all the groups that will want to work with the Stima SACCO, and will provide the environment and avenues that Stima SACCO can push their products to these groups so that they can be empowered and they can also be supported financially.